Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the lean manufacturing, a well-known terms used in manufacturing industry, and lean manufacturing has basic different tools. Those are used in manufacturing industry. First, I introduce you about the lean manufacturing. What is lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing is a production process based on ideology of maximizing the productivity while simultaneously minimizing the waste within manufacturing process. The lean principle sees waste is anything that does not add value that the customers are willing to pay for that. The goals of lean manufacturing are to improve the quality of product, eliminate unnecessary waste, reduce the production times, or reduce the total cost. Basically, you can see the purpose of lean manufacturing is increase or maximizing the productivity and minimizing the waste and improve the quality of that item. Lean manufacturing types of manufacturing process where the lean manufacturing tools are used mostly manufacturing industry, food manufacturing, beverage and tobacco product, chemical manufacturing, electronics equipments, textile mills, textile product mills, apparel manufacturing, leather and allied product manufacturing. These are industries where the lean manufacturing tools are used for maximizing the productivity and eliminating the wastes and improving the quality. Lean manufacturing tools are like bottleneck analysis. It means structured way of looking at workflows, just in time on demand system of production. Value stream mapping is another tool that means analyzing and optimizing a process overall equipment effectiveness, measure the productive time. Plan, do, check, act PDC, a method to manage the change. Error proofing analysis tools based on prevention. Root cause analysis method to get foundation of an issue. These are the different tools we will discuss in the next lectures, and this is a summary, just means summary, the purpose, showing the purpose about these tools, why these tools are used in the manufacturing industry. Principles and philosophy of lean manufacturing. There are five principles of lean manufacturing as defined by Womack and Jones in 1990. The machine that changed the world. These principles are first is identify value as it is perceived by customer. Second, identify the value stream through your business. Make the value flow. Pull from the pull stream. Strive for the perfection. These are the basic principles of lean manufacturing. Seven wastes of lean manufacturing. These are like transport, the movement of goods from one location to another. Unnecessary, you can say unnecessary transport of goods, unnecessary transports of labor, and unnecessary transport of anything that is being used in manufacturing process. It is declared as a waste. Second, inventory from finished goods stock to work in process and raw material. Excessive inventory or unnecessary inventory is itself a part of waste. Motion, the movement of person or machine within the operation that does not add value in the system or does not add value in product quality is declared as a waste. Waiting time spent idle and unproductive is a waste, is declared as a waste. You can say we normally in our life we wait for somebody, and this is also waiting, that is a waste in the form of lean manufacturing. Overproduction, is also a waste. Producing something that is not actually required now is a waste. Over processing, doing work that is beyond that what actually required, is waste. Defects, all the rejects and rework that may be produced is declared as a waste. So these are the basic wastes that are declared in lean manufacturing concept: transport, inventory, unnecessary transport, over inventory, unnecessary movements, unnecessary waiting time, overproduction that is not required, over processing something, over processing in the manufacturing process also add additional loss of energy, additional labor power, and defects are the rejections, or you can say you have to bear quality claims. These are also the waste. Lean manufacturing examples: seven waste, just in six big losses, five why mean root cause analysis, Pokayoki. These are tools, overall equipment efficiency, OEE for overall equipment efficiency, TPM total productive maintenance, and SMED small and medium enterprise. Quality tools, Kaizen, these are PDCA, plan, do, act, check and act, just in time, continuous flow, value stream, bottleneck analysis, reduce inventory, line balancing, Kanban, standardized work, visual management. These tools we will discuss in next lecture one by one in very detail. TPM, total productive maintenance, mostly used in maintenance and overall equipment. SMD, single minute. Quality tools are different quality tools, flowchart and fishbone diagram. These are the different quality tools that are also used in lean manufacturing tools or lean manufacturing processes.